welcome back to my channel. Today we are opening up my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for January 2022. And hi, if you are new here, my name is Jennifer and this is my husband Aaron. And on my channel we do unboxings. Let me move this away from the camera. I already see it moving around. We do unboxings, I do makeup related material, and I am agoraphobic, so I talk about agoraphobic topics and mental health issues and stuff like that. So if you're interested in any of that, or if you're interested in all of that, then I highly suggest you hit subscribe and then hit that notification bell and set it to all so that you are notified every time that I upload a video. So if you're interested in seeing what is in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, then hang tight because we are getting right into it. Okay, thank you for clicking on this video and spending some time with us today. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you very much. And yeah, so this is the bag. I am going to turn down the lights if I can.
Do that, I believe in you.
So we can show you the products. This is what the bag looks like. I don't know, the lights might still be too bright. There we go. There's a little, it's like tie-dye. We've got our tie-dye on today too. And it's got a little smiley face on it. It's very cute. So, and I don't remember the cost of the Ipsy Plus, but Ipsy does have they have 3 different levels. They have the Ipsy Glam Bag, the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and the Ipsy X. So I will leave
there's the secret ones that you don't even know about.
Yeah, not even I know about them. And I will leave a link down to Ipsy down below so that you can check it out if you are unfamiliar with them. Okay, so in the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, you get 5 full-size items, and you get to pick out 3 of your items. So let's just see what we got. Okay, this first thing here is Belle and Argent Laugh and Believe Duo. I don't know why it says 8 free nail polish, but that's what it says. It's just 2 nail polishes. And those are the colors that they come in. This is in What We Believe. And this color is Laugh Right Back. Does it say anything interesting?
Well, it says it's 8 free and vegan and cruelty free. So no 8s in this. Then it says formulated without dibutyl phthalate, toluene, formaldehyde resin, camphor, xylene, ethyl tosylamide, and triphenyl phosphate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's the 8.
Okay. It's free of 8
evil things.
Free of 8 evil things.
Yeah.
I like this color right here. What do you think?
Yeah, it's nice.
Let me put them back in their box though. Can you put them back?
Sure.
The next thing, let's pull out this big thing. I think I chose that. I definitely chose this. This is Huxley Secret of Sahara Mask Oil and Extract. These are 3 sheet masks. Let's just see what one of them looks like. It looks like the oil's down here, and the mask is up here. Does it say how to do it?
Fold over the bottom pouch 3 times as pictured and apply pressure until the pouch pops, releasing oil into the top pouch. When the pouch pops, please note that there may be a loud popping sound when it pops. Shake the top pouch to ensure that the sheet inside is fully saturated with oil after you've popped the oil from the pop pouch. After cleansing and toning, apply a sheet mask over the face. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. After removing the sheet, gently pat excess treatment into skin for maximum absorption. Pop, 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 pop.
So
Pop.
just pop it.
Pop. Pop it on you.
What does this say up here?
An innovative dual pouch facial sheet mask that combines the cactus extract and hand harvested prickly pear seed oil. Pop.
Leaves the skin soft and glowing, made of soft, ultra-thin microfiber.
Yep.
Okay. I'm always up for a sheet mask. So it comes with 3 of those. I picked this out. Sometimes the choices... Sometimes it's hard to pick between the choices because they're good choices, and sometimes it's hard to pick the choices because they're not so good choices. I think... Oh yeah. This is what... It's the Happy Skin cheat sheet. Oh, the theme is Happy Vibes. This month and year, make time for the things that make you smile. Soft pastel shadows. I like pastel shadows. Your favorite podcast. DIY manis. When you invest in bliss, the world becomes a brighter place.
Yeah. You gotta invest in bliss now because I heard that there's a stock split coming.
The Happy Skin cheat sheet. Stick this on your vanity and conquer those glow goals.
Hashtag low goals.
And it's just a little sheet that tells you what certain things are and what they do and when it works.
I'm already getting lots of this one. Caffeine. Except I drink it and not use it externally.
Oh yeah. I ordered a bunch of pods for my espresso machine, and I accidentally ordered all decaffeinated pods.
Dun, dun, dun.
And now I am on...
Why do they even make those?
I don't know. So now I'm drinking decaffeinated coffee. Or... Well, I water down my espresso a lot, and then I add milk and creamer to it. But there's no caffeine in it.
Just get the caffeinated milk and then it'll all balance out.
So I was yawning a lot this morning. Okay, next is the Danessa Myrix. Can you read that?
Danessa Myrix Beauty Vision Flush Lip, Cheek, and Eye Color.
I don't remember.
Long-lasting multi-use liquid pigment.
They must have picked that out for me. And the color Bread and Butter.
So kind of brown and yellow. Not a literal interpretation.
I think it's a little
Pop.
something. Lip, cheek, and what?
Eye.
Oh, which one is this?
One of those.
Okay. Alright, it smells like an oil. I'm sorry I'm being so quiet, but I like that, but okay, I like it. Too bad I'm going through a lip declutter. I guess I'll keep that though.
Well, if you declutter, then you have to replace it with other things.
Oh yeah, I guess I do. It's just very oily. Maybe I can use it as a cheek product too. I don't remember picking this out though. Man, that is really oily.
Oil you up good.
Okay, well, moving on. Oh, I even got it on that.
It's everywhere.
Next is a Lauren Conrad, the lipstick. And I think they picked this out for me.
Lauren knows what you need.
I'm getting it. This is supposedly, and it's in the color, what does it say?
Shell.
Shell. I'm going to put this in an upcoming giveaway. And the last
Didn't
thing.
even look at the color yet.
Well, okay. Well, look at the color.
You have to look at the color.
I just don't want to break the. Okay, that's what the color looks like.
All right then.
That's a nice color. Okay, and I'm very excited about this. It is the Milk Kush Mascara. I already have one, so I'm not going to open
Is that the
this.
color Boom? It says on there.
Yeah, it's the color Boom, but it's black. It's a black mascara.
Boom, pop, boom.
This is like my favorite mascara. And this is a backup because I already have one. And yeah, so I'm happy about that. I would say this is a good bag. Yeah, I'm just going to take this off right now. And yeah, I would give this bag a 4 out of 5. Yeah. What do
I
you
would
think?
give it a 3.8 out of 5.
Okay.
Sorry. 3.9.
Okay. What do you think? Leave me a comment down below. And let me know if you get this bag and if you got any of these products and what you think of them. Let me know if you got this and what you think of this. And yeah, give it a big thumbs up if you like this video. And it really helps, and it only takes a second. And yeah, I hope you're having a wonderful, fantastic day out there today. And if you are not, I hope something comes along and sparks your day so that you can have a wonderful, fantastic day today. And if you are having an especially hard time today, remember that we are thinking about you and sending you out those good vibes. And you can send out better vibes than that, Aaron. Come on. And okay, just remember to stay strong and stay healthy and stay safe. And I will see you in my next video tomorrow. Okay, just stay well until then. Okay, goodbye.